This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for assignments. First, create a new page and title it Assignments. Then, add a database to this page. Choose the table view for a clear overview. Customize your database properties to include assignment name, due date, status, and course. This initial setup is crucial for organizing all your academic tasks efficiently and effectively. Once your database is set up, you can easily organize your assignments. Apply filters to see tasks for a specific course, like Math 101. Sort your assignments by due date to always know what's coming up next. You can also group them by status, such as not started, in progress, or completed, giving you a clear visual of your workload. Tracking your progress is simple and effective in Notion. Regularly update the status of each assignment as you work through it. Utilize Notion's reminder feature to get notifications for important due dates, ensuring you never miss a deadline. You can also link related notes or research directly to each assignment entry, keeping all your information in one convenient place. For even greater efficiency, consider some advanced Notion tips. Create templates for common assignment types, saving you time on setup. Integrate your Notion database with external calendar applications to sync your deadlines and receive reminders across platforms. You can also use linked databases to create high-level project overviews, connecting individual assignments to larger projects or courses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.